I was working on the layout. I didn't have enough grass to do this part. I still got to fill in some areas right here. Yeah, so I went to the hobby store today, got some more of the fine turf and 2 bottles of scenic cement. I still have a full bottle of coarse turf. I'm just gonna try to fill this up with fine turf. Then I'm gonna sprinkle in some more coarse turf to give it just a better look or feel or whatever. First, I gotta clear off the table though. Mixed up a new batch of scenic cement, poured a new bottle into the spray bottle, and I'm gonna start get this area, put some grass on this area here, and hopefully just patch up some of these areas that I didn't get. Yeah, so hopefully I think one bottle of fine turf will be enough. Then I'll go over it again with some coarse turf, give it liven it up a bit. I quickly realized that I got the wrong shade of grass at the hobby store, so you can see the big contrast. But honestly, I'm just gonna keep going with it. I might sprinkle some of this shade into this here, but it doesn't really matter to me that much. I'll probably put some buildings here anyways. Just run out of, see if we can focus. I just run out of fine turf, one color. As you can see, I've tried to spread it among the bald spots. I did a pretty good job. I did it very liberally, pretty heavily, so make sure I don't have any bald spots or bare spots. There's still some bare spots right there, but I have the fine turf. I mean, my bad. Yeah, I have the coarse turf. I'm gonna also fill in with right here. This should probably go a bit faster though. I'll check in with a bottle for the coarse turf. Doesn't really work too good, so I'm just gonna have to spoon it out.